I want to know from you, which is your favorite Neutrogena product?
So, I'm a big believer of pani pio. Pani is very good for health, for various reasons, including your skin. So for that reason, my favorite product is the Hydro Boost range, I would say, because it completely hydrates my skin. And that is something that we know is good for you when you consume as well. And when your product has it, it's incredible.
I have a quick, fun questions for you. This is like a rapid fire question. So first one is a yay or a nay. Okay, very quick. Skipping hydrating your skin.
No, never. Nay. Nahi.
Okay, and in 20 different languages. Is
Nako.
Ajibat nako.
Na.
Is drinking water enough for hydrating your skin?
Very honestly, yes.
Wow, thank you so much for the chair.
सिर्फ एक ही sorry मस्ती कर रही हूँ पर I feel very frankly I think there are individual skin. Oh, this was not a ye. Sorry, ye or nay.
Ye or nay, yes.
Acha, so I have to keep it very simple, basically.
You want to make it complex? Women are complex.
Can I give a little bit of an answer to this?
Yes.
So
please.
I feel that all of us have individual skin needs. All of us over here have either really, really oily skin or dry skin or combination skin or, different issues with our skin. So I think it's a very individual approach to skincare. Definitely hydrating, consuming healthy food, consuming healthy beverages also contribute to great skin. But there are skincare practices that all of us must do because externally also we are depending on different people's lifestyles. आप धूप में कितना हो? जैसे for me, I am in front of harsh lights quite often. So I need to take care of my skin in a different way. And I think that your lifestyle choices and really good products work very well together hand in hand. So I would say that it's a combination of both.
So it's a nye.
Nye.
Okay. Next up, not reapplying your sunscreen. Yay or nay?
Nay. Because if you're going to be in the sun for a very long time, then you must reapply your sunscreen every couple of hours.
Sleeping with your makeup on.
Oh, bapre, big nay. Big nay because I think we all know this now कि sleeping with your makeup on is really bad for your skin and it just takes a couple of extra minutes to take your makeup off. So please do that. Even no matter how tired you are, no matter what you feel कि अरे छोड़ो ना, no, please निकाल दो makeup.
Okay, but I think I want to take some notes right away. So, to your mind, when you say juicy skin.
Neutrogena.
Oh, wow. Can we have a round of applause for that? Love this answer. Next one is a this or that. What would you choose? Gel-based or cream-based moisturizer?
Honestly, I can't choose one. I'll be very honest. Okay. I go through phases. I don't know who goes through skincare phases over here. Sometimes gel, sometimes cream. I am also exactly like them. Currently, I'm going through a gel phase. So, yes.
Okay. So this and that, both. Perfect.
Yes.
12-step routine or a 3-step routine?
What is a 12-step routine?
It's, I think the influencers will be able to tell you.
What is a 12-step routine? Is there a... मुझे नहीं पता 12-step routine क्या होता है. होता है कुछ? इनको भी शायद नहीं लग रहा कि होता है. तो like 12-step routine हम तो नहीं करते. बहुत time जाता है उसपे. I would say 3 यार मतलब
yes.
12 steps बापरे.
12 is too much.
Too much. मतलब 12 steps में I think the only 12-step routine that I would want to follow is probably a 12-course.
Me? Oh, wow. Everyone would
probably
love that, I
just
think.
that's the only 12-step thing I would want to do.
I'm going to vote for that.
Yes.
The next one is Hydro Boost Water Gel or Hydro Boost Night Cream.
You can't choose now because you need one for the night and then you need one for the day.
So again, both.
But I sometimes also use my night cream in the day. I'll be very honest.
You do that?
I do that sometimes because it has a denser hydration. And on some days when I feel like my skin is a little more dry, I will use the night cream in the day also. Rule breaker.
Wow, we love it. Okay, the last one, glass skin or matte finish?
There is this full trend now, glass skin wala trend and all. You know, honestly, I feel like some of these trends, I'm like, ये क्या skincare के नाम पे कौन से trends चल रहे हैं? No, I would say healthy skin. I'll just pick healthy skin. Health over any of these trends. And you guys know what y'all are doing best. I'll be very honest. So I can't sit here and give you any gyan, but I can probably talk about what I could do. Because all of us have, public platforms, and we have people who are following us and probably and hopefully getting inspired by us. So, I mean, I know that I may not be perfect. I know that when I am sharing snippets of my life, there is vada pav also that I'm sharing about, which we know is not entirely a healthy option to eat very, very often. But at the same time, I'm not saying that that is the only thing that my life is, my eating habit about. That's not the only thing that it's about.
You said that
So,
don't run behind the trend. I love that line, right? So, coming from that, what exactly do you think we can add on?
so I feel, very honestly, I mean, I try to keep it as real as I can. You know, I try to keep it as real as I can. I try to personally live a very balanced life where I also love my vada pav and all that kind of khana, but I also eat very healthy food. So I try my best to keep it as real as I can. So I would just suggest to you guys also that, you know, keep it as real as you can and keep it very personal. Who are you? What aspects of your life are you sharing? For example, I am so excited to be a part of Neutrogena because for me, it's a brand that for me, the first thing that I think about Neutrogena is like, oh, I can trust this brand. Because I know that they have done their due diligence. They have the scientists who are constantly working on formulation. So I know that when I'm putting it out there, I have that faith. So it's something that I would say that do your bit to keep it as real as you can. And also, I mean, when you express yourself, I'm sure that you also want the best for yourself, right? And in what you're showing and sharing with the world. So I don't know if this entirely answers your question, but I would say that, yeah, I try my best to keep it as real as I can.